Downloading file with Pysftp. I'm trying to load, and directly save locally, it's a .csv file stored on a FTP server, sftp protocol. I'm using Python in combination with Pysftp library. When I check if the file exists, it returns true. But when trying to load the file, it seems to be empty, whatever I try. How can I get, and store, the file to my local environment? Do I miss something obvious?
Connection.get does not return anything. It downloads the remote file to a local path specified by the local path argument. If you do not specify the argument, it downloads the file to the current working directory. So if you want to download to a specific local directory instead, you want this. If you really want to read the file to a variable, what I understand that you actually do not want, you need to use connection.get for, like. Alternatively, use Paramiko library directly, without the Pysftp wrapper. See read a file from server with SSH using Python. Obligatory warning, do not set nopts.hostkeys equals none, unless you do not care about security. For the correct solution, see verify host key with Pysftp.
If you want to support the channel,